Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and if you've been feeling a bit triggered lately, reacting to things, feeling overwhelmed, then this practice will help you to come back to balance and calm again. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point, placing one hand on your heart, the other hand on your belly. Feel yourself arriving on the mat, ready for the class. Breathing in. As you breathe out, relaxing your shoulders. Breathing in again, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel yourself becoming more present to here and now. And as you move in the class, feel yourself letting go of things not serving you anymore. Letting go, becoming present. Letting go of things that no longer serve you, allowing them to float away like clouds on a sunny day. One more deep breath in here. Breathing out, gently opening your eyes. Placing your hands on your lap, coming back. Taking your hands wide, breathing in, stretching up, push your tailbone down. Just feel that stretch, and you're just going to come forward as far as you can. You might want to touch your shins, your ankles, your feet, or just have your hands in front. Breathing deeply here, just taking a moment for yourself. And then breathing in and coming up as you breathe out. Let's come forward on the mat a little bit, placing one hand on the opposite knee, the other hand behind you, stretching up, breathing out, and just looking over your shoulder here. Take a breath here, feel yourself stretching up to the sky. And then coming to the center, let's take the other hand to opposite knee, the other hand behind you, push down, stretch up, breathe in, and as you breathe out, just look over your shoulder. Let's take another deep breath in as you stretch up, breathe out, and twist a little bit more if you can, or stay where you are. And then come to the center. Let's come on all fours. Spreading your fingers. You might want to place your toes onto the mat if you want to stretch them, or place them flat on the mat, breathing in and looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. Let's do one more time. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine. Stretch. And come into neutral. And then coming onto your back. Rolling down slowly. And then taking your hands either behind your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, or even your feet, and just stretching your legs one at a time or together. This is called happy baby. Just having a little play here, stretching. You might even be able to take your toes in your hands and stretch. And then placing the feet on the mat. Taking one leg straight and bringing the one knee into your chest. Giving yourself just stretching. This is really good to relieve any excess air in the belly, and then straighten that leg. Bring the other leg into the chest. Straightening that leg, bringing both knees into the chest, hugging it out, maybe raising your head towards the knees. And then placing the feet on the mat, taking your hands by the sides. Let's just do a gentle twist here, taking knees in one direction, head in the other. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on the hip here. And then head in the center, knees in the center. Let's go in the other direction. Taking your time here, breathing deeply. When you breathe deeply, you're allowing the mind to become quiet, the body to relax, nourishing your organs, allowing the oxygen to be everywhere. And then bringing your head and legs to the center, straightening one leg, straighten the other leg, bringing your hands by your side, maybe closing your eyes, taking some deep breaths here, checking in with yourself, how you're feeling now. Sometimes it's good to let go of things that don't serve you, allowing you to become calmer within yourself so you're able to respond to things much better. I'm going to leave you here now so you can relax a bit more if you wish. It's been lovely practicing with you today. Do share this with anyone who's been feeling irritable, frustrated, even overwhelmed. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.